Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Keena and I post videos about natural hair, thrifted and affordable fashion. Today's video, I just want to show you guys how I straighten my natural hair at home. I guess my DIY silk press routine. Well, I only straighten my hair 4 to 5 times out of the year. About 2 or 3 of those times I will get it done professionally, and about 2 or 3 of those times I will do it myself, and this is one of those times. So it's about 9 o'clock at night. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little sleepy. We're gonna get through this. I got my apple cinnamon tea to kind of wake me up and wake up my senses. So I did wash my hair. My hair is freshly washed, and my hair has been towel drying for about 30 minutes now. If you guys would like to see how I wash my hair or my wash day routine, I do have that video up on my channel. Go check it out. So the only product that is in my hair right now is leave-in conditioner. My holy grail leave-in conditioner for my straight hair is the iNFUSIUM 23. I've been using this leave-in conditioner for a long time. The conditioner just leaves my hair so soft. I just love it. I think my sister put me on to this leave-in conditioner a long time ago, and I've been hooked ever since. All the products that I use today in today's video, I'll put in the description box down below. For blowing out my hair, I like to use only 2 products. I like to use my TRESemme Heat Tamer spray. I've been using this spray for a long time. Great for protecting my hair against any heat that I put on it. It can protect my hair to up to 450 degrees. And it also leaves my hair nice and shiny and soft. And I'll be using the Lotta Body Sleek Me Blowout Lotion. I just love this lotion. I've been using it for a couple of months now, and it's very inexpensive. I got it from the beauty supply store for probably about $5. But it works really great with blowing out my hair. It also has heat protectant in it, defies humidity and frizz, it detangles and adds shine, and it leaves your hair up to 7 days straight. I believe it because it did really well for my hair last time, so we're gonna get started. So the first thing that I like to do is section off my hair. I like to section my hair into 4 sections. I have a lot of hair, so putting my hair into sections just makes life a lot easier for me. Okay, so my hair has been sectioned off into 4 sections. I'm now ready to blow out my hair. The blow dryer that I use is the Red by Kiss. This is my holy grail blow dryer. Actually, my second one. The first one, I had it for about 2 or 3 years. I bought this blow dryer off of Amazon, but I believe you can find it in your local beauty supply store. This blow dryer is about $30, but I just love this blow dryer. I love like the handleless blow dryers. I just feel like it's a lot easier for me to maneuver compared to the ones that do have handles. So I'm just going to start my first section. I'm going to first start with the TRESemme Heat Tamer spray. I'm just going to spray that around my hair, and I'm just going to rub it in. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my blowout cream. I normally use about a quarter size amount. Now I'm just going to rake that into my hair. Okay, and now I'm ready to work. My method for blow drying is I like to first start at the bottom, at the ends of my hair, and just kind of work my way up to the roots. I feel like it prevents damage and breakage that way. And I like to kind of work one side each time. So I'll do like the side, top, and back. so the first section is done. As you can see, my hair is blown out. I'm satisfied. And the key to a great silk press is blowing out your hair very well. If you blow out your hair very well, then you don't have to do as much flat ironing, which cuts back on the amount of heat that you put on your hair. So just be mindful of that. So I'm gonna do this section here and I'm gonna come back to you guys. Before I move on, I like to just hit this section with some cool air on my blow dryer. I'm just gonna apply some hair polisher to my hair, or I guess serum. That's the only thing that I apply to my hair before I flat iron it. And the one that I use is the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Heat Defense Smooth and Shine Polisher. I've had it for a long time, don't judge me, but the packaging is kind of rubbing off. But I will put, again, I will put all the products that I use down in the description box down below. But this is a great dupe for the Chi one. I know the Chi one's very popular. I like it. It works for my hair, and it also has heat protectant in it as well. I also like to use this before I curl my hair as well. I'm just gonna apply a quarter size amount to my hands into each section of my hair. I'm just gonna rake it in my hair. Okay, well, I guess my flat iron is done warming up. The flat iron that I use is called KIPOZI. I bought it from Amazon. This is my first titanium flat iron. We used to just use ceramic flat irons, but I learned that titanium flat irons are better for coarse or thicker hair than ceramic. But I got this flat iron for $35 off of Amazon. And this flat iron is amazing. This is probably the best flat iron that I've ever owned. It's thick enough so I can get through the blades quicker, and I just need to swipe my hair once and my hair is straight. So definitely check out this flat iron. If you're looking for a new flat iron, this one is amazing. So when it comes to flat ironing my hair, I like to start from the back and work my way up. And I like to work in kind of small sections. My method for straightening my hair is pretty simple. I just like to hit the roots twice and go glide down my hair once. That's it. Some people use the comb as a guide. I don't do it. I tried it once, but I didn't like it. I just feel like it was too much going on and it was a little time consuming. What I do works for me. So again, I just hit my roots twice. I'm just looking in the mirror. And I just glide down once. And that's it. You see my hair is straight just by that one swipe. I'll show you guys what I do again. I'm gonna grab a section of hair. Once I have my section, I'm just gonna go to the roots. I'm gonna hit the roots twice, and I'm just gonna swipe down once. And that's it. And as you can see, my hair is straight. It's straight enough for me. I don't need to keep hitting my hair with the flat iron, and it helps to prevent heat damage. And I love these flat irons because the plates are so thick. It makes flat ironing a lot quicker. I'm really scared about burning myself. I mean, I've been flat ironing my own hair since I was about 13 years old. I was grown. So I'm not really scared about burning myself like some girls probably are when it comes to flat ironing their own hair. I do burn myself at times, but it's kind of like, I don't know if I'm immune to it or something at this point. But yeah, I know I'm weird. I guess I'm weird. If you notice, I do like to bump the ends of my hair just to add some extra body, because I don't like my hair to be like bone straight, but you know, just a little bit of body. Like I said, I'm all about the body and the volume, so. Okay, so the first side of my hair has been done. My hair is straight, okay. So it didn't take me that long. With these flat irons, it's easy peasy. It probably took me about 30 minutes. So in total, it probably takes me about an hour to flat iron my whole entire head. I'm going to flat iron this last side of my head off camera, and I'm gonna come back to you guys once I'm done. Alright, so I am all done. My hair is straight, okay. Alright. So I started the whole blowing out flat ironing process a little bit after 9 o'clock. So it's now 10:30 at night. So I don't think it took that long. Now I just have one more step, which is kind of laying my edges. So what I like to do is I like to use my electric hot comb. Yes, I have an electric hot comb. I got this electric hot comb off of Amazon. Now, if you don't know what you're doing or you're not comfortable using a hot comb, do not do this at home. Kids, do not try this at home. But I've been doing this for a while now. I think I kind of know what I'm doing, and I'm very careful. So all I'm gonna do is just kind of just straighten out my edges a little bit. This is the only thing that really works when it comes to straightening my edges. I've tried the little tiny flat irons and they don't really work, but I feel like this has been really helpful when it comes to, like, you know, sleeking my edges. All I'm gonna do is, if you're not comfortable, look away. I'm just gonna kind of just grab and just kind of comb, simply just comb upward. And I normally always end up burning myself probably once or twice, but again, I've been flat ironing and straightening and curling my hair since I was 13. No biggie. I'm just simply just straightening my edges. Just simply just slowly combing through. Trying to get as close as possible without burning myself. I'm just gonna do the same thing on this side. Again, if you're not comfortable doing this, do not do this. You will burn yourself. But I know what I'm doing. Okay, so my hair is straight. So I'm just going to wrap my hair tonight, and I'm probably just gonna wrap it every night for the next 2 weeks. I do have a video up here on my channel on how I maintain my straight natural hair. Go check it out. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.